Thank you very much. We need to respect all the participants who are up here singing, dancing, doing whatever. It is very, very rude and impolite to be talking while people are performing here. I hope you understand. And I'm sure you would expect the same thing when you are performing too. Am I right?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Now we would like the students of Venkata Lakshmi Lakshmanan. They will be performing dances on Lord Muruga. Venkata Lakshmi Lakshmanan.
Namaste. Very happy to be here with all of you in Chicago Metro Detroit. I'd like to thank Uncle Gopal Krishna Uncle for giving us this opportunity. The school Natyakala we've been having for past 9 years, so we're going to have a 10th annual show this October. You're all personally welcome. We will be having it in October. Now these students are the students like past four years they've been learning. So today's program we're just going to show the glimpse of what Natyakala institution is about. We will be sharing with some items like Pushpanjali, Alaripu and some Korati, Kavadi items who will depict both classical as well as semi-classical. And I'm from Kalakshetra, as Surya Narayan Murthy and Chalapati sir, they're all my gurus. Of course with Padmalaya, Suralkudi Padma, late and Natya Visharada, Padma were my earlier gurus. So I'm picking these pieces all from different gurus what I've learned, except for last two pieces which is my own choreography, Korati and Kavadi. And hope you all enjoy this. Thank you again for once again. Please be here and encourage the kids. We will now first have the item Murugan Alaripu. This is set in Ragam, Nate Kuranji, Talam, Tishram.
Siva, Gada, Gidai, Nirva.
Suvana